This is it. First day, 2014, sitting out on the lawn. Oh, it's mega warm. I'm in my tank top and shorts and bare tootsies amongst the grass and the dandelions and the lilac bushes and the bees. And I presume there are some chipmunks over there in that hole. There are my lilacs. Woo! Lilacs. The darker one and the lilac one are out. But the white and the new one decided not to show anything this year. The new one I didn't expect, but the other one, the white one, I thought would come up. It did not. So I'm disappointed. I'm reading the very last Charlaine Harris, Dead Ever After. I figured I should read the last one before the show comes to an end, so I'm doing that. So I'm done. I think it's around 1 o'clock. What is it? What time is it? It's 1:30. And I'm finished all my work. And I thought, this is the time to come and enjoy spring weather in May, so that you can say you sat out here in May. And I did. Okay? And it feels good. I hope you're all enjoying this spring weather. It's hay fever season, you realize that. Apparently it's going to be bad this year. For those people who have allergies, not good. I just say that because I see my tree already dropping stuff, so I know those who sneeze will be sneezing. Okay, I'm going to get to my reading. Talk to you later.